Hey guys, today's video is going to be going to the Vancouver Botanical Gardens. Basically it's an indoor glass dome and there's a bunch of plants and birds there. I'm not exactly sure the exact date it was started. Maybe I'll put the date and the name of the guy it was created by right here. I'll put it in the video. But it's in Vancouver, BC, Canada, and you can go there and check it out. It's not that expensive. I think it was like $4 or $5 to get in. And it's really fun. And even in the winter time, it's like a tropical environment. It's like 90 degrees in there, almost year round. So it's pretty cool to check out. If you're ever in Vancouver, I definitely recommend it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.
Bloedel Conservatory is a lush domed paradise inside of Queen Elizabeth Park in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. The dome itself is 140 feet in diameter and over 70 feet high. The dome houses over 150 bird species and over 500 exotic plant species. One of the major issues for Bloedel Conservatory is budget. They were going to close down in 2010, but they were able to raise a lot of money to keep this place open, but budget has always been a big issue for them. They have a very cheap cost to get in. I think it was around $4 or $5 per person, and due to COVID, you were only able to stay an hour, but normally you would be able to stay for as long as you want for that amount. So that's obviously a very cheap cost. And that would create issues. I mean, the Vancouver Aquarium, which is located pretty close to them, it charges about $40 to get in. So you can see the cost difference. They're not making very much money. Vancouver is a very expensive place. So hopefully this place can stay open because it's really awesome to go there. That's really all I have left to say about the Bloedel Conservatory. I'm just going to let the rest of the videos play for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll come back and finish this up. Hello. 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 Rudy. 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 Hello. Hello.
the leaves are coming out so close to the base of the tree, not on branches.
Yeah.
That's cool. Now, how tall is that tree? That was like 18 inches across. This is huge. It looks like it feels like a giant maple leaf. But I like the climate. It's nice.
Yeah.
Although it is. You saw talking birds in here last year?
So if you've made it to the end of the video, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know it's a little bit different than my normal content, but if you liked it, hit the subscribe and leave a like. Thanks.